Hey everybody, if you want to fix the storage full warning on your Android without any SD card, today we are going to guide you through the solutions for that to fix it. So let's just dive right in and get started. Go to your settings app for that. And once you access the device's settings, you need to go over, scroll down, find the option for apps and tap on it. And then you can select up an app. Once you tap on one of the apps, you just need to go over and find the option for storage and tap on it. And within there, you can look out for the clear cache option, and that should do it. And you can follow the same process for all of the applications available on your device. Also, delete the unnecessary files and applications. If there are unnecessary applications, you can hold it up and go over and install it. Similarly, if there are unnecessary files, you can select it up and tap on the delete one and delete the ones, especially find the bigger ones. You can do so. And apart from that, you can just go over and reset the media storage. So go to your settings for that. And within here, scroll down, find the option for apps and look out for media storage. So turn on this option for system apps, find the filter option and tap on it and turn on the system apps. Once you turn it on, search for your media storage, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to go over, look out for storage, and tap on this option for clear data. And that should force a rescan of all of your media files, and you can restart your phone once that is done. Also, perform a factory reset. If all of the above fails, you can go to your settings, scroll down, find the option for general management, and within there, go to reset and tap on it. And then go ahead and reset by tapping on the factory data reset. And you can just go over and follow up the process to make your device very clean. And that's it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.